What is good, everybody? Today we're back with another video with Vick's BRZ.
Always.
And today's project is going to be nice and simple. It's just an intake install. We're switching out the stock intake to a Takeda intake.
Cold air.
Nothing really new with my BRZ. I do have air suspension in it. That video is coming shortly. That's the homie Jess's wide body static FRS right there. And of course, Vick's beautiful BRZ. I know you guys are probably wanting to see a lot more content with the BRZ, but there's a lot in the making. So just stay tuned. I'm editing some videos and I'm waiting for some parts to get in. So just stay tuned for that. So this is the famous intake. This is the famous Takeda cold air intake right here. Apparently it's supposed to increase horsepower by 5 and torque by 6. But what's really cool about it is it's gonna look so clean inside this engine bay. It's gonna clean everything up and it's gonna look real nice. So we already started taking apart the stock intake. It's pretty straightforward. All we have to do is loosen this right here, take this hose out, unplug this, and there's 1, 2, 3 bolts right there, and it should just pop right off. And here she is, fully installed, everything buttoned up. When you do install this, make sure your sensor is pointing inward. Okay, that's the direction of the air. All right. Yeah, and then let her warm up and then give her some reps. So there you guys have it, little quick and simple install of the Takeda cold air intake. Shit sounds amazing. You could definitely hear the intake more, you could hear it pull in the air more, and it's cold air, so it's not gonna heat soak and cause you to lose any power. But that's basically it for this video, so thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned.